Investing money to increase your wealth involves several strategic approaches. First, consider diversifying your investments across different asset classes. I'll put all this in the description. This can include stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds. Diversification helps mitigate risk as different investments may perform differently under varying market conditions. All right? Now start by researching the stock market. Okay? The stock market. Okay? Investing in shares of established companies can yield significant returns over time. Focus on companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential. That's what I do. Additionally, look into index funds or, exchange traded funds. Explore a broader market and, that's less volatile to individual stocks. Real estate's another lucrative avenue. Purchasing rental properties can generate passive income, while property value may appreciate over time. And I just don't like dealing with people too much. Anyways, it allows you to invest in property, that's another way. Look it up. If you like real estate, you like buildings, go ahead. Furthermore, educate yourself on emerging markets and technologies such as cryptocurrencies and renewable energy. So lastly, just remember, patience is crucial in investing. Stay informed, review your portfolio regularly to adjust your strategies and market condition changes. Over time, disciplined investing can significantly enhance your financial future.